Hello friends, today we are going to make aloo tikki, which is crispy on the outside and really flavorful from inside. So let's begin. We wanted to start with 2 cups of boiled and mashed potatoes. To this I'm going to add ginger and green chilies, and with that chopped mint leaves, which gives nice flavor. Add 1/4 cup of fresh coriander, and 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of garam masala, and salt as per taste, and then 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This will make the tikki very crispy. Now mix everything well, and then I'm going to knead into a dough. So it's binding together. So if you like to add more cornstarch, you can do so. Now I almost forgot to add the chaat masala. So here 1/2 teaspoon of chaat masala. It gives really nice flavor, and it is really important to add. Now the dough is ready, and I'm going to divide it into small portion. So I have greased my hands with the oil, and then I'm going to make a tikki like this. So now heat oil for frying. I'm going to do shallow frying, so on a medium to high heat I'm going to fry it. If your oil is on a low flame, then the tikkis will break apart and become soggy, so make sure it's a medium to high heat. Now fry until it's nice and golden on both sides. So our tikkis are done. I'm going to take it out on a kitchen paper towel to drain the excess oil. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's serve. I'm serving this with tamarind chutney or sweet chutney, and also cilantro chutney. So it's crispy on outside and very flavorful, and enjoy this with your favorite chutney or sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.